Today, we dive into the heart of a heated debate sweeping Britain, as Rishi Sunak's proposed clampdown on the welfare system ignites fierce opinions nationwide. But the question on everyone's mind, will replacing monthly benefits payments with vouchers truly address the issues at hand, or is it a step too far? Stay tuned as we unravel the complexities and conflicting viewpoints surrounding this controversial proposal. Rishi Sunak's plan to overhaul the welfare system has sparked a divisive response across Britain. While some applaud the move as a necessary measure to combat what they perceive as a sick-no culture, others vehemently oppose it, arguing that it unfairly targets the disabled and vulnerable. Disabled individuals and their caregivers have voiced strong opposition to the proposed voucher system, citing concerns about its practicality and potential impact on their livelihoods. They argue that the current benefits system provides a vital lifeline for essential needs like food, heating, and electricity. Conversely, supporters of the clampdown argue that it is a crucial step towards curbing abuse of the welfare system, particularly in light of growing unemployment rates and increasing numbers signing off sick each day. However, critics fear that the proposed changes could exacerbate existing challenges faced by disabled individuals, making it even harder for them to access necessary support and resources. Concerns have been raised about the practicality of implementing a voucher system and its potential to further stigmatize disability benefits recipients. As the debate rages on, one thing remains clear: the proposed overhaul of the welfare system is a deeply polarizing issue with far-reaching consequences for millions of individuals across Britain. What are your thoughts on this contentious topic? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates from Celeb Explore Hub. Until next time.